Resort Optimal Staffing. Present by Mariana Giraldo Correa. Introduction to Optimal Staffing. Optimal staffing is an important process in human resource management. It ensures that the organization has the right number of employees with the necessary skills and abilities to reach its goals. Good staffing improves productivity and efficiency and helps employees feel motivated and satisfied. Therefore, optimal staffing is key for the sake of any organization. Definition of optimal staffing. The optimal staffing is defined as the process of determining and maintaining the appropriate number for employees with the necessary skills to efficiently achieve an organization objectives. In other words, it means having the right number of workers in the right position and at the right time, avoiding both excess and shortage of staff. Main objective to ensure that the company has enough qualified human resources to carry out its activities without generating unnecessary costs or affecting productivity. Importance for optimal staffing. The importance for optimal staffing lies in ensuring that an organization has the right number of employees with the necessary skills